This Donald Trump token is pumping upwards of 30%. What the heck is going on? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking out the ticker symbol Trump. This is a Donald Trump themed token that's taking the internet by storm. Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you come over and smash the subscribe button down below. It's totally free, and you get to the latest and greatest crypto news. We see overall crypto markets up by 1% today. We see Bitcoin hovering around the $62,000 range. It's great. Hopefully we see some bullish momentum ahead, as we're very excited for what comes next for Bitcoin. Now, the token we're talking about today is Mega, ticker symbol Trump. It's currently trading for $8.49 and it's upwards of 30% earlier today. Now it's dipped down a little bit, selling at still up 22%. This token not too shabby, guys. At one point peaked around $10, $11 mark, which is absolutely insane. What's going on with this token? So let's go over to the website first. Mega movement on the blockchain launched on the August 11, 2023, and the only active cryptocurrency donating to US vets and protecting children. So the Mega coin mission is to make crypto great again. They have a 47 million supply. We can see 227 ETH was donated to the US vets and 196 ETH was donated to children trafficking and prevention. So you see there's some big charity partners, and it looks like they have proof for everything. So also looks like the Docs team, which, hey, that's pretty solid to see a Docs team, especially in today's day and age where everything's a scam. What the heck's going on? Not only is this token trending, guys, but also on the actual trending tab, there's another token, S Trump, which is like a duplicate, or I don't want to say duplicate, but like a fork of Trump, which is also pumping upwards of 10% on today, almost a 15-16% earlier today. And this token was basically, if you missed Mega, which is the first token we're talking about, they created this token to go, right? We can see miss Mega, don't miss Super Trump, this Super Trump token. Now, why are these tokens so important? Because the US elections are around the corner, and they're getting so much organic traffic. But talking about organic traffic, let's talk about a token that's going absolutely crazy right now. So you miss Mega, you miss Super Mega, don't miss DogeVerse, the chain traveling Doge, the world's first chain traveling Doge. They've raised over $15 million, guys, in the past month. It's absolutely insane. So buy now before the launch. Guys, these pre-sale gyms are going absolutely ballistic. We're covering Solana very closely before while it was on pre-sale, and we've seen it's absolutely moonshotting, actually close to hitting all-time highs today. This token has crazy potential. It's multiverse, or it's multi-chain, multiverse, the DogeVerse at least, on these 6 following chains. It's featured in a ton of different articles. They have a multi-bridge utility, a solid roadmap, and yes, they have staking as well. You can be earning 61% with dynamic range staking, so prices fluctuating over time. This is a project you absolutely don't want to miss out on. And now, talking about social proof, over 16,000 followers, very active on Twitter as well. This project is not one that you want to sleep on. If you haven't already, make sure you load up a bag. I'm gonna link it in the description below and the comment section as well. So let me know if you're loading up on DogeVerse. But back to Trump and Super Trump. What the heck is going on with this Mega token? The community is very bullish. That's great to see. So crypto news: Trump supports crypto. Pension funds are interested in Bitcoin and MasterCard innovation in tokenomics, or tokenization, I should say. So it's very, very bullish. Make meme coins great again. Donald Trump 2025. So where's all this coming from? Let's go over to this tweet over at Watcher Guru. So just in, former President Donald Trump says he will stop a hostility towards crypto in the US and embrace it. Let's go ahead and play this clip.
We have to let him be here. Thank you for the statement. Yeah, with the goggles on.
A lot of the smartest people in crypto are moving their businesses out of the U.S. because they're scared of the U.S.'s regulations.
Because of the hostility.
Correct.
Yeah, crypto is moving out of the U.S. because of hostility toward crypto.
Correct. So what are you going to do to stop it?
Well, we'll stop it because I don't want that. I don't want that. I want that. If we're going to embrace it, we have to let him be here.
Yes, sir.
Super solid. So Trump is basically saying he wants to embrace crypto, as he doesn't want people leaving the country to go elsewhere, especially businesses where they're bringing so much revenue into the US. Donald Trump, obviously, love him or hate him, he does great for the US economy. I personally don't live in the United States of America, but from what I understand, he does great for the economy. So we're just imagining him just being president again could be great for the overall economy, but him now openly co-signing as well is obviously massive. Talking about massive, Mega has 22,000 followers on Twitter. They're growing rapidly. Again, just community engaging, and that's what you want to see with crypto. You can see a $20,000 donation was made very recently. Everything is great here. We looked at Super Trump earlier. Remember the fork of Mega, which is awesome as well. And now again, Donald Trump being the main highlight, right? Him being active in crypto again. Crypto is Trump's new weapon against Biden's. Voters will be heard. Billionaire Mark Cuban issued sharp warning to Joe Biden over Donald Trump's new weapon, aka crypto. So it looks like Donald Trump is going to weaponize crypto to make crypto great again and kind of use it against Biden to get some more votes. We're very excited and bullish, especially with Donald Trump embracing him. Even Trump is absolutely pumping. We're imagining closer to elections, this coin could absolutely pump and go to the moon. We're very, very bullish. Remember, if it peaked around $11 and currently sitting at $8, we could definitely see a pump, especially closer to the elections, closer and deeper into the bull market. We're anticipating Trump to pump like crazy. Currently with a $360 million market cap, we could easily see this in the B's, especially towards the end of the election. But like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.